Hello, and thank you for taking part in the street study. This short video will cover how to complete the active commuting to school tally form to make data collection as easy as possible. The active commuting to school tally can help us understand how students travel to and from school, where to focus future safe routes to school efforts, and how successful a program has been. In addition to walking and biking, it also captures how many students take other forms of transportation. This form also looks at the impacts of weather by asking if it was sunny, rainy, overcast, or snowy. We will ask you to complete the tally once per semester for 5 years to understand these changes. It is easy to complete the streets tally and takes less than 5 minutes. It asks only 2 simple questions which students raise their hand to answer. The tally should be conducted on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday on your selected week. You will have the option to do paper or online. For the paper option, the teacher will simply fill out the boxes at the top of the form indicating school name, Monday's date of the week that the tally was conducted, teacher's first and last name, grade, and the number of students enrolled in class. Here is a sample of a completed tally. Step 1. In the first box, indicate the weather conditions using the code noted at the top of the column. In the second box, indicate the number of students in class when the counts are made. Step 2. Ask students, how did you arrive at school today, and read each option. Record the number of hands raised for each answer. Then ask, how do you plan to leave for home after school? Again, after reading each option, record the number of hands raised for each. It is a good idea to read all the travel mode choices for your students before taking counts so they know and understand the options. When you have completed the 3 days of tallies in your class, please return the form to your streets school coordinator.